Hey everyone,
Hi.
it's the Lovelace family, and guess what today is?
It's cruise day.
Cruise Day. Hey, so come along with us as we are in Miami. We're at the True by Hilton Home to Suites. Really highly recommend this hotel, and we're going to book it again down the road. But we've had a great time here. But it's Saturday, and we're getting ready to go get on the Horizon for 8 days. So come along with us as we show you our adventures on the Carnival Horizon. There may be some other guys there like Adventures Ahead, Josh and Michelle maybe as well along the way, but we are looking forward to sailing out of Miami on the Carnival Horizon. I'm hearing it could be our next favorite ship.
I hope so.
But we're going to try to go step by step on Embarkation. We may miss a little bit on here. We're going to put a timer out there so you'll know how long it took from the beginning to end. And we are right across from the airport. I think it's about a 20-minute drive. We're going to hit that timer and let you guys know. You come along with us. Bye.
Bye.
All right, real quick here. Our family took a Lyft. First time we've ever used a Lyft before, or Uber. We've never used either one of those. We've always drove ourselves. But we got a Lyft XL, only $30, and it was only 9.3 miles, took 15 minutes. We did tip the guy $20, which, you know, was more than probably average. So it ended up being $50. If you would have took a shuttle from the hotel, it was $15 a piece. So roughly it was the same thing, but that Lyft XL was really nice. It was a leather seat, suburban. Driver was great. So I highly recommend just using a Lyft, taxi, or Uber versus a shuttle.
All right, so we are at Terminal F. We originally were told it's Terminal D. And we're getting ready to try to get on this ship, the Horizon. Let's see how quick it goes. Michelle just hit the timer. A little bit of confusion because it said Terminal D. They changed it to F. So let's see how long it takes. So we got priority boarding, so we got a suite, so we're going in now. It feels great in here.
All right, this Terminal F is really nice, but this process was very fast. You're actually not supposed to film in here. I got busted on this right before we went through the scanning process, so I won't be able to show you that. Normally Horizon's D, but this is F.
All right, so we are waiting for them to call out the suite guests. And how long has it been, Michelle?
Right now it has been, well, dang it, Michael, it stopped. Wait, no. Oh, sorry. 13 minutes and 49 seconds.
That's 13 minutes, 49 seconds, and that was to go through check-in, luggage, getting everything checked in.
Yes. From the time we were dropped off to the time we're sitting here.
Michelle got flagged, so they had to take a wand to her.
She patted me down.
Yeah, so we're waiting in the suite area, and this is a really nice area. Let me flip it around.
The area you're seeing here is the suite waiting area. There's also a platinum and diamond area, but this whole Terminal F is incredibly nice. I think this is supposed to be mainly for the Celebration ship. I don't know why the Horizon got moved to here this day, but we liked it. During the check-in process, if you are diamond, platinum, or suite, they give you a priority boarding. On this particular day, they did the diamond first, suites, and then platinum, and then regular boarding times. Man, our family got called. Our suites, we had a family harbor suite. You can see my wife and my son here. We're all excited, getting ready to board this Carnival Horizon. It did take a little time here. I'm gonna flash up here above how long it took us from the beginning to end. Much longer than any cruise we've been on. I did hear there was an issue though with getting prior cruise members off the ship. That's why it took almost an hour, 45 minutes to an hour longer than normal. But yeah, walking up this gangway, getting ready to get on the ship, we were fired up and really excited. Terminal F is incredibly nice. And if you're a suite, diamond, or platinum, you're going to love that area to hang out. Again, normally that's the Celebration, but maybe when the Celebration is not in town, they use it for the Horizon as well on a regular basis. I don't know. But here we are getting ready to walk on this beautiful ship and start our day on the Carnival Horizon. first impressions of this ship is just absolutely gorgeous. When you come in, you got the, sitting over the side, the big wide chairs for wide butts like myself, and you got this huge kind of funnel LCD type thing right at the bar. I mean, it's really a beautiful, beautiful ship. There was a little bit of confusion on our part, our Carnival's part, both of our parts, but we were told our room would be ready since we were suite members, or had a suite room booked. And so they told us you can go straight to your room. Others were telling us go straight to your muster station. We did have muster station D4, which of course is deck 4, and it was located in the restaurant. So we start heading that way now.
This muster station's pretty cool.
So Anthony, you think there's a big difference in a newer ship and older ship?
Yes, this ship is a lot more better, and
Mo better.
And it's better in technology too. It's more in technology.
All right, we found our D4 muster station. Took a total of 1 minute. We put a timer on this guy. We're fast forwarding it here a little bit, speeding things up. We did, I think Carnival made a mistake here, but we didn't call them out on this. Is if you have a child 12 and under, they're supposed to get a bracelet as well. It's like a fluorescent color bracelet. So please remember, if you got kids under 12 and under, get their bracelet at the muster station. If not, you got to go to guest services. We were wanting to get some food since our room was not quite ready yet. So we went up to the, after the ship, up to the Tides Bar area where they have a pool. They have the seafood shack up here. They also have pizza as well. So we went up here and just found a spot to eat, got some food, sat down. We'll show you a few pictures of the pizza, a few pictures of the seafood shack. We'll do a review on it a little bit later on in a separate video. And then just take some shots here of what it looks like from deck 10, looking out over Miami and the port area. Anthony, what you got there, bud?
Tacos.
Got some tacos already on the ship. That's kind of our normal thing, right?
Yep.
Cool deal. And we got some pizza here. Mama's got a pina colada. I've got a parched pig. And now we're gonna go get some seafood shack as well. What you think about the ship so far, Ant? Nice, ain't it? All right, we got the buffalo shrimp. And there's actually buffalo sauce with it this time. Let's try this out. Hey, so it is time to go eat at Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse on deck 5 midship. We've been stuck on deck 2 because of Embarkation Day. It's rough, but let's go eat at the steakhouse. I don't know how much video we're gonna be able to do, but we're gonna definitely take some pictures. So
I'll let you know how it is.
I think it's gonna be good, hopefully. See you in a little bit. Bye. We will do a separate video on the 555 Steakhouse Fahrenheit on the Carnival Horizon. Here's a few pictures though of what we had this evening. Long story short, very good. I highly recommend. Full vlog coming out later. But yeah, here's some pictures of what we ate, and then we'll go on to what we did the rest of the night. So after the steakhouse, we just wanted to walk around the ship a little bit, familiarize ourselves with it. And again, this atrium area is awesome. This is one of my favorite areas of the whole ship though, is the Pig and Anchor bar area. Just a really cool vibe. Stop at the bar, get you a drink, get you one of the beers they brew there. Right to the right there is where they brew it. Had live music, which was awesome. They did have the football game going on here, which I couldn't show, but in this area you could watch sports events and listen to music at the same time. Really cool vibe to this area. My son saw a pig and said, "Hey Dad, can I get my picture taken with a pig?" So here he is with the pig that's in the Pig and Anchor area. And then they had live music as we were going back to our room that night in the central, in the plaza area. Sorry about that. But yeah, really cool music here, cool hangout area. Not a fluffy friendly area though with those chairs, but still a cool area with a bar over to the left. it's been that kind of day on here.
Not been that bad.
No, it hasn't been that bad.
No,
It's been a very long day,
we're
but
tired.
day one of embarkation, and we ended it with, we went to the state council, which you saw that part of the video earlier, and then we came back to the room. Anthony got room service. Then we went back out and went to the Ocean Plaza area and Pig and Anchor, which you saw a little video here of the guy playing music. They were playing the football game, and I could not video that or I would get a copyright claim or strike on it, but really cool vibe in the Pig and Anchor area.
Awesome in there.
So
We haven't had food yet, but
haven't had food yet, but we would definitely check out the Pig and Anchor again. Anthony, what do you think so far?
It was wonderful.
What do you think about the ship so far?
I love the ship.
Yeah,
beautiful.
the ship is very beautiful. Not a big fan of the elevators, but we'll see if it gets better.
hopefully they'll win us over. But
Day one sucked on embarkation because we couldn't get up to the sailaway because we're on deck 2. We have a suite, and you'll see the video on that as well.
we could never make it
We
up.
could never. We waited for 30 minutes to try to get on the elevator to get up, and never could make it. But hang out with us. Please like and subscribe to see more videos, and got a lot of food reviews. Steak counts coming your way, but have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Have a good one. Bye.